Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talks by Gaurav Sharma. As we continue our The Why series, today our topic of discussion is CASB, Cloud Access Security Brokers. What does that mean? This is a security control that sits between the users and the cloud providers. Why do we need it? Well, we want to make sure that whenever the users are accessing the cloud, from an organization perspective, we have visibility and control into all those actions that are being done when somebody's using the cloud. What exactly does that mean? Well, let's take some examples, right? There's a shadow IT going on in your environment. What is shadow IT? Well, an employee trying to use unauthorized, unsanctioned applications like personal Dropbox, or just personal applications in your environment. You want to be aware of what kind of applications are being accessed by the employees. So you definitely want to know that to avoid the use of these unsanctioned applications in your environment. You also want to make sure that there's no disgruntled employee that's out there and is trying to steal the data before he or she leaves the organization, which is going to cause the company money and reputation. We definitely don't want to do that. So CASB protects us from all these actions of how somebody is accessing the cloud. There's another example from a DLP perspective. DLP is data loss prevention. So if somebody's trying to upload sensitive data to the cloud, we want to be able to have visibility into these actions so that we can control them. It also plays a role in between the PCI and your GDPR compliance. This is a requirement from multiple compliance bodies to ensure that CASB is implemented into the whole cloud access use case. So I feel it's very important. It detects and reports and responds and controls any unusual activity that's going on when the users are accessing applications in the cloud. And these applications could be Microsoft, your Google Workspace, your Outlook, any of those. So we definitely want to make sure that the access is given, but in a controlled manner. So why CASB? Now you know. Thank you.